Jason Che to add to the details and good news.
Thank you for all the media friends who came today and also the colleagues from FFCCCII. So this is a very meaningful project. So hopefully a lot of young Filipino can join this project. So first of all, this TikTok video will be limited to 1 to 2 minutes. TikTok video that should be uploaded to TikTok and also emailed and upload to when you scan the QR code, you will go to a form which you can input your name, age and details, and also here you can upload your video. So who may join this competition? This competition will be open to all young Filipinos aged 18 to 35 years old. So for them to be eligible to claim if ever they win, they need to present one valid ID, and we do not allow substitution in claiming the prize. So each individual or team may submit one entry only. And participants must not be affiliated to any FFCCCII members. For the language, any Filipino dialect must include English subtitle. Format MP4, vertical portrait, because TikTok video is, we watch it vertical video. Yeah. Then suggested themes. Key milestone in 50 years of PH-China diplomatic relations. Personal or community stories reflecting the impact of PH-China friendship. Artistic interpretation of shared cultural or historical ties. And aspiration for the future of bilateral relations. All entries must be entirely original. Any form of plagiarism or content that is defamatory, obscene, or inappropriate will be disqualified. So again, thank you everyone for joining this press conference, and hopefully we can all share this wonderful project so that more young Filipino, even student can join. So yeah, hopefully we can invite more people to join. Thank you.
Thank you very much.